big shout out to all the Tennessee Vols fans who will know what I mean when I say Rocky Top. Good morning. Day 26 on the AT. Day 2 in the Smoky Mountains. It's going to be a great day today here. It's going to be close to 70 degrees. Great day for hiking. We're going to shoot for about 12 miles today. Going to Derrick Knob Shelter, I think, is the objective. But yeah, so the rest of the crew's headed down the trail. I'm headed behind them. So here we go. It's been a little slick out here. Previously, there was a few days where they got quite a bit of rain, so you just got to go slow in some of these sections, especially a lot of roots and rocks. And this is the path, but you can see at one point it was more like a creek, I guess, from all the rain the last few days. But yeah, this is the trail. So you just have to take it slow and easy, and it gets better at different points. But yeah, this little descent here is a little treacherous. So again, just taking it easy, no hurry, taking your time, and enjoying the day. All right, I'm gonna put this camera down so break out the trekking poles before I fall on my face here. Hello. So just took a break. It's about quarter till 12. Stopped back there, had some water and some snacks. Got some water out of one of the springs, so that should give me enough water to get to the shelter tonight. Currently, we're about 5.6 miles to the shelter, so it's not bad. So it's like I said, it's about a quarter till 12. And we got plenty of time, less than 6 miles to go. Just got down a little steep climb there. So it wasn't very rooty and rocky, so I didn't film anything. But now we're heading down the trail. But anyway, yeah, it's a nice day. It's currently like I said, 62 degrees. I think it's going to go up to 65. So, boy, for the 1st of March in the Smokies, we'll take it. All right, see you down trail. All right, just made it to the top of Rocky Top Mountain, 5,412 feet. So big shout out to all the Tennessee Vols fans who will know what I mean when I say Rocky Top. Anyway, let me show you a little look around up here. Yeah, gorgeous day. It's about 65 now. There's an awesome breeze blowing up here, as you can imagine. But yeah, that's quite the view. All right, talk to you later.